So what I want you to do now is do the same. Go into each page. Don't forget those hidden pages, the 404s. I want you to go into every page now, look at your layout and get the content ready. And then at the end of the day, I want you to have a review as a team and see where you're up to, and then create a task list of everything that is left. And everyone's task list is going to be different at this point, but typically it's going to be what content is missing, what do you still need to do, are you happy with your images? It's just a general review of where you are at this point. And I am going to wrap there. I'm going to go off to a couple of business meetings, as I have said, and I will also be getting ready for tonight's Sunset Talks, which is on e-commerce, setting up those e-commerce pages. So if you have got an online store, I will see you there at Sunset Talks number 4.